I'm playing against a 900 plus. Let's play French. Exchange, variation. Develop my piece. Push. I can just develop my knight. So I did a mistake because I get my knight. Bishop is 3.5. Knight is 3 points. I can trade. I can take this good. Just develop the bishop. I also mistake. I can take. White has double pawns. Is bad. Yeah, I can castle. I can develop my rook here. Check. Protect this pawn and develop my rook. Then I also give it check. And I develop my knight, connecting my rooks. Okay, now we just doing stuff and push. Perfect one. Just creating weakness. Okay, here I win a pawn. Mistake. Take here. I win a pawn here. Completely win it. A pawn up and bishop against that. Bishop is 2.5, knight is 3. I don't understand this move. Just push pause. I win a pawn. Yeah, set this move. Just take a pawn. Doing this move a pawn. Just have to not bend the pieces, I guess. Like under 2000, even under 1500, and under 1000, we just bend the pieces. Just take the pieces. Yeah, I can just put it. Okay, just take from the penny, check, take, stake with check, take here, and just exchange for I take this pawn, complete winning position. And just take that last pawn. Okay, win the rook, then just promote. Give it check, and I promote. Make it new queen, and checkmate. Yeah, push this pawn. Then at the end, already just push this pawn, promote to a queen. Just make sure to not let the stalemate. Just remember hook back. And here I'm teaching you the ladder bit. You just do this, here, and this is called the ladder, and this is checkmate. Okay, nice win. That's another game. Quite simple game. Okay, good over 1000. Just split the price defense, exchange position. Current place split h4, you see it's not so good because you push a pawn at the flank, not in the center. Grab it, a bit knight f3, better move, bishop d3. These two are better moves. Here, attacking my queen, but I just did that. You may think you can play f6 here, but this is dangerous because the f1 is the weakest pawn. Protects the pawn, f6. I never do that because here there may be some attack with the queen. I just did that my knight. And here my opponent makes a mistake, exchanging a bishop for a knight. Knight is worth 3 points, bishop 5. And here I want the bishop, wants to exchange queen, but okay. Let's exchange queens. I give up my bishop. Yeah, I could have taken this one, not realized. Yep. And it's a small mistake, but I'm already better. I've taken the point. Take my pawn. There. Yep. This would have been better an attack here. And why can't I take this? Because my queen is protecting this pawn. Could have done this. But here already, especially against lower rated players, I want to go into an endgame, but I don't have it. I don't take any risk, and I'm just going to win. Another mistake, exchanging this bishop, but you get a double pawn. This is a mistake. Black is better, just castle and develop my rook with check. But I'm always king here, and this bishop check. So that's okay. Okay, better fix. When I was attacking this pawn, so I protect the pawn. King move, develop that knight, connecting the rooks. Very simple logical chess. I just push pawns. Here, white makes it better. I win the pawn. Here, I just complete. I win another pawn. Here, I win another pawn. 3 pawns up. And just try to attack this pawn. The counter attack this move. And here I take the knight. Then it do complicate the game. Just take, exchange for rook, take this pawn, take another pawn, lost trick from white, attacking my rook, hoping I don't see it. I see the rook, I take, check, here I just push the pawn. In the game, just push open, make a new queen, and checkmate with either late. Simple as that. Push, queen. When you do this is called either mate. It is bad. It's always this formation, queen, then rook, the queen defends the rook, and when you do this. Mate. This pattern is checkmate. Checkmate. The rook is getting the king, and the queen is attacking the king, and this is checkmate. That's how you beat in 900 plus. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys later.